Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Vic Strider's affiliate business system, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Is this real? What is this really all about? Can you actually make what he is claiming that you can make on this particular training? Okay, I'm gonna review this and share with you all the prices and all that great stuff. Okay, and then you can make a decision for yourself. All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month online, my favorite strategy, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll share that with you straight to your email if you would like to check that out. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, and you can potentially make a lot of money, full-time income, even more than that. A lot of them, though, very tough, and you can't really generate that much income, and some of them are just straight up scams. Okay, so let's check out Affiliate Business System to see what this is all about. All right, so Vic Strider is extremely successful internet marketer. He has come up with a lot of great training over the years. Multi-millionaire. All right, very, very good at what he does. I actually stand by a lot of his training. I've invested in a lot of his programs and courses and mentorship, and so he is the real deal when it comes to building businesses online. Now, the thing about Vic is that because he's been online for a long time, he was trying to find a way basically to make it easier for the average person on the street to make money on the internet. Because the thing about selling just another course, unfortunately, is sometimes people struggle even though the course material might be very, very good. Okay, because sometimes starting an affiliate business or any online business can be very challenging. Okay, there's a lot of technical stuff that you have to learn. So he was like, how can he make this easier for the normal person to be able to get results? So he figured out a way to basically take his business that makes $300,000 per month. He calls it a hub, okay? And how could he give it to the average person on the street, get them to brand it, very minimal technical stuff, and just sort of hand over his business so that people could just start generating commissions, okay? And he was somehow able to do that. I mean, it took him a long time, 6-7 years of putting this particular system together, all right? And if you've been on this page right here, or maybe you've joined the live call, or maybe you've been on even maybe a live presentation, basically what he's going to be showing you is how to get a copy of his business, all right? So this is a copy of his business. It's called the Affiliate Business System. I've actually got a copy myself, all right? And so this is me logging into my back office to show you exactly what it is, all right? Now, even though it is split up into modules and it does look like an affiliate marketing training program, it's not. Okay, this right here is basically training to explain to you why an affiliate hub like this, okay, will make you a lot more money than just another training out there. All right, so he's basically explaining to you the mindset that you have to be in, your money thermostat, what are some of the big money secrets, okay? And then he talks about the $300,000 per month blueprint. What does it look like? Okay, what is the anatomy of a $300,000 per month business? All right, how it works and how you can actually get it into your hands, right? So first you have to understand how it works before you can actually set it up. Then you basically set up your own money hub. It's pretty crazy, okay? So in this training right here, it's not training for you to build this all yourself. It's how do you then import it so that you can brand it yourself, you can set up your own domains, you can make it yours, you can actually brand it to you. It's really, really cool, okay? So this is not just another affiliate link. This will actually sit on your very own domain. So your own domain could be workwithbob.com, workwithjill.com, whatever it is. And you will literally have a copy of his business, but you can customize it so that it shows your face or not, whatever your brand name is, your logo, that kind of thing. It's very, very cool, okay? And then on top of that, you can connect all the tools that will help you to make money. So multiple streams of income. You can see right here, activating those streams of income, activating the products if you would like to, all right? And you can license this from him, all right? These are optional, but this allows you to make even more money by licensing them from Vic. You don't have to come up with any of the products yourself. It's very, very cool. I'll show you how this works in a second, okay? And how do you connect the funnels, and then how do you activate live streaming, how do you launch, and all that kind of stuff, okay? So it's very, very cool, all right? So this just allows you to actually have a system where it's already pre-built for you. So it's really a done for you affiliate marketing hub that generates $300,000 per month for him, and he's hoping that if he can give this to you, it's just gonna make it a lot easier for you to make money. Okay, let me show you what this looks like, and then I'll show you, some of my results and how much it costs and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is what my Money Hub looks like. All right, so this is actually templated from Vic, but of course this is not Vic. This is me. This is my logo right here. This is my actual domain, right? So this is not an affiliate link, right? It's really, really cool. Now, what this allows you to do is a lot of things, right? First of all, you look like a real pro online, so people are going to trust you more. Secondly, if I want to run ads to this, Google and Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all that stuff, they're gonna love this link because this is under my domain. This is not an affiliate link, all right? So if I want to run paid ads to my stuff, it's gonna be a lot easier, and I can brand everything through my hub, which is it's a lot better if you're trying to build a brand online. Okay, so if you scroll down, you know, again, this is all pre-built for me. It's really, really cool, right? If I go to some of the other pages, these are some of the courses that you can license from Vic. Okay, I didn't create any of these, but if anybody clicks on any of these links, they will go into separate funnels within my actual hub itself, and it will do all the selling and telling for me. When somebody buys, I make a commission. Okay, so very similar to you, you would have a copy of this as well. So some really, really good stuff here. Some of the, you know, this is Forbes Riley right here. You know, some really, really big names. All right, you know, training, some really great training as well. Instagram secrets, creating a legacy, e-commerce secrets, how to build your business in terms of tax and structure, Facebook fan page domination, hub economy, Facebook pay-per-click secrets, irresistible copywriting. I mean, this is stuff that internet marketers would love. Okay, so that's some of the courses. These are some of the tools as well. Tools that every single internet entrepreneur will need: the affiliate business system itself, the wealth autopilot system. You can see here, these are some very big programs right here. Okay, Clickly, Udemy, GetResponse, eStage, AnyWord, ChatGPT, Webinar Fuel, Zoom. You can make affiliate commissions from all of these. All right, it's already pre-built into your system, so this saves you a ton of time. All right. The other thing that's really cool about this system is that Vic does a lot of live promos. So the whole idea is to come together with him and just piggyback off his stuff. Okay, so that means you don't have to do any of the selling and telling. So he will do all of that for you. That's actually the hardest part of making money on the internet. And so he's gonna cut all that and just do it for you, which is really, really cool. And you can piggyback off his promotion. So all you have to do is just invite people to your stuff, right? He does all the selling and telling, and then when he sells, you make the commission. All right, so it's a really, really cool strategy. Nobody is doing this online, so it just makes it easier for you to make money with this whole business model of affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just when you recommend other people's products, and then when somebody buys from your link, you make a commission. Right, it's very, very simple stuff, right? You don't have to do the customer service. You don't have to find the products. You don't have to do anything like that. Okay, you just have to become the marketer, the middle person, right? It's really powerful. Now let me jump into my back office here. You can see, so 4% is Vic's parent company. So all of this right here is run under his company called 4%. All right, and if I just come to my VIP center here, and you can see that this is not a screenshot. Okay, this is my actual. You know, I've actually logged in. You can see here Aaron right there, right? VIP Partner Center. I'll just show you that this is one of the programs that I do promote, right? And you can see this was last month, you know, $9,000 here. This is the current month, $1,727, so not too bad, right? 22 sales. And I'm not even promoting this that hard, right? Not yet anyway. I'm gonna start to promote this pretty hard. This is one of the programs that I do promote, right? You can see here that I've made lifetime earnings $121,138.73. Not too bad. Okay, so they still owe me about $10,000 in commissions that they will pay out this month. Okay, but you can see that this is real stuff. All right, so this system works. The stuff that 4% puts out works. The stuff that Vic puts out works. All right, how much does this cost? It's a $500 program. All right, not a program, but if you want to get this hub right here, okay, it's going to be $500, which is actually a steal. All right, for what you're getting. I mean, people will charge you to build this alone. Some people would charge you like $5,000, $10,000 just to build a hub like this. All right, so $500 to get this. You know, these are optional. All right, this will be these are separately priced. Okay, these will be included. The tools right here. All right, the lives. You know, Vic will be able to do this for you. This is all, you know, included, which is really, really cool if you would like to leverage this kind of system. Okay, so this is my stamp of approval. Also, there's a 30-day no questions asked refund. Okay, so Vic stuff always has a 30-day no questions asked refund. I think it's really, really cool. Nobody else is doing this in the industry. Again, this is not a course, okay? This is not a step-by-step marketing course. This is, you know, he's just going to give you his affiliate hub. 500 bucks, I think it's a steal. 30-day refund, no brainer really. Okay, so it's got my stamp of approval. I'm obviously, you know, generating good commissions from the stuff that Vic does, from the Money Hub. If this is something that interests you, I'm going to leave my link directly below this video. You can actually check it out if you would like. It's going to lead you directly to a page like this. There will be a presentation, and if you're ready to get your own copy of your your own affiliate business system, then I recommend that you click the link below. Join me inside this program, and I think that you will love it, because it's obviously made me a lot of money. It's made my students a lot of money as well. All right. Also, there's a second link if you would like to get access to my free training as well. All right. So I'm just going to leave two links below. First one will be directly to ABS if you want to check it out, and the second link will be to my free training, and you can check that out as well. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely grab a copy of Affiliate Business System. I highly recommend it, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.